Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Grand Cherokee battery. First, gather your tools: a 13mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and essential safety gear like gloves and eye protection. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Remember to wear your safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential battery acid exposure. Now let's locate your battery. In a Jeep Grand Cherokee, it's conveniently placed under the passenger seat. You'll need to remove the two front passenger seat bolts, then carefully tilt the seat back to reveal the battery compartment. Once visible, use your 13mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. Then, detach the hold-down clamp. With the old battery out, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. This ensures a good connection for your new battery. Now, carefully place the new battery into the compartment, making sure it's oriented correctly. Secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Then, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both with your 13mm wrench. Finally, carefully reinstall the passenger seat, making sure all bolts are tightened securely. Once everything is back in place, start your vehicle to confirm that your new battery is working correctly. You should notice a strong, immediate start. Also, remember to check the description below for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Don't forget to properly dispose of your old battery at a certified recycling center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.